Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here and asked me to pay for their goods on 1688. I'm going to go ahead and open up the contact of the person right here. And then just like so, you can see the product in the screenshot right here. And I decided to make a video about this and show you on how you can actually pay for your order on 1688 Chinese shopping app. These are the links right here, about 1 to 3 links we are going to pay for 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open up the product link right here. Click on the product link, then allow it to load up. Open in the app. Then it's going to redirect and load to the 1688 app straight up, just like what you see right here. I have already added all the products to cart. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply visit my cart. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on here. Just like so. So we have all the products in my cart right here, about 3 different links. This is the first link, the second link, and the third link right here. So next thing we want to do is to see how we can pay for these goods on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. Next thing we're going to want to do right here is to go ahead and click on here to select the product. So I'm going to select the first link right here, and then scroll down right here, select the second link, scroll down right here and select the third link. So about 3 different stores right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Next thing we want to do right here is to simply scroll down right here and go ahead and make sure you click on here to choose your means of payment. So I'm going to go ahead and select Alipay right here. Having selected means of payment, I'm paying the sum of 86 yuan right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Allow this 1688 here to connect with Alipay. Just like so, Alipay is connecting, just like what you see right here. Lastly, go ahead and enter your payment password to complete the payment. Just like so, payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Lastly, I will go ahead and click on here to close this pump up. I have to go to my profile. So for that, click on here to go back, and click on here to go back. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon right here from the bottom corner. Click on it. By the time I refresh my profile, we find out that the product we just paid for is going to be found right here. So refresh, just like so. So you can see it right here. So let's go ahead and open up the parts. So here we go. We have all the products right here. Lastly, I'm going to exit from here now, and then go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to buy these goods. For that, I'm going to click on my attach, my gallery, select proof of payment and say payment made successful and send. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, either on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.